folks. Hey, today's tutorial is a song titled Four Strong Winds. The artist that we're kind of focusing on is The Searchers. The song was written by Ian Tyson. Today we found it on the LP here, shown in the background, The Searchers, the golden hour of The Searchers, okay? And again, we cannot go, there's no time to go through all the different covers of this song. There's so many people that have recorded it. A lot of covers of many, many professional people. Bobby Beer, Neil Young. I mean, just tons of people that have recorded it. Probably because it's a good song. So we're going to take a shot at the Searchers version. It charted really well in the UK charts, and it showed very well also in on the Billboard Hot 100 back in its day. Anyway, we're going to be using the 12-string guitar, and you don't need a 12-string for this song. You just, whatever you have, go ahead and use it. 6 strings, just fine. Now, we're going to be in standard tuning. Never mind the capo up here, because this 12-string is detuned one full step. So to get it in standard tuning, I have to put the capo on it. Anyway, I'll do my playthrough. I'll come back, and I'll show you what I'm doing.
Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. Got some friends I could go there and work for. But I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you can meet me if I sent you down there. But by then it would be winter, not much for you to do, and the wind sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change from what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way.
Four Strong Winds. Okay. Again, we're in standard tuning, and you can play right along with the Searchers, okay? You can go out and grab this, pull it up on the internet if you got an LP or 45, whatever you have, and you'll be able to play right along with the Searchers with what we're doing. We're starting out on our B string. Okay? Let's do it again. And we're going to come up here. I think it's coming through the camera really good, so I'm not going to go into great detail there. Just keep on playing it over till you get it. Okay, and then I come in with a little bass walk up, so I kind of go, I just say on my low E string. Okay. You do not have to do that. Oh, for strong winds, we're in G, winds that blow lonely. I'm using an A minor there. 7, I'm going to a D7. 7 streets that run high. All those things that go to a C change from what to a D. And then there's a thing you can hear it go. They go. Okay, they go. A little pinky there. And then I come back and I do that walk up. Think I'll go out to A minor. Oh, I screwed up. I'm sorry, but we'll jump back. I only got halfway through the chorus. But our good times are all G, A minor, and to a D, bound for moving G. Oh, look, C. Now it's an E minor. They're back this way. That same thing. Then I walk it up to the verse. Think I'll go out to A minor Virgo, where this D7th in the fall. Got some G to a C to a D. But I wish you'd change G to an A minor, to a D, to a G. C to an E minor 100 times or more. That little lick. Oh, strong. Okay, I'm sorry. We're going to the second verse. Searchers do it a little bit different than many of the other folks. If I get there before the A minor to a D7, I look into a G. You could meet me if to a C, to a D. But by then into a G, to a winter, to a D, to a G. And the winds can blow to an E minor, to a D. That same little lick. And now what they do is the instrumental, they just do the intro. And then we come right, and we finish it off by doing a chorus. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 C's, that D to a G. All those things that don't, so it's C to a D. That little lick again. But by good time G are all gone, and not to a D, to a G, to a C. I look for you to E minor, and it stops right on this D. That's how I ended it. And they kind of end it very similar. Back this way. And I think they end it there, but I kind of come in and I lift that up and I call it quits right at that point. Hey, folks, what a beautiful, wonder so many people have recorded this song. It's so good. But anyway, hope to see you out there playing around a campfire or maybe a coffee house. And for sure, don't forget about the folks at the care centers.